Every language opens a door, but learning a dialect, that opens a world. The Saudi dialect isn't just words, it's personality, culture, confidence, and the way people truly connect. In Saudi Arabia, the dialect carries warmth, rhythm, and meaning that no textbook can teach. And when you finally understand it, you don't just speak, you belong. At Talk Saudi, we teach the Saudi dialect the way it's meant to be learned. Real conversations, real culture, real confidence. One live session at a time. Whether you're here to connect, work, live, or simply explore, your voice deserves to be understood, and your journey starts today. Talk Saudi. Learn the dialect, feel the culture, speak like a local. Join the community. Start your journey now.